Okay guys, I'm doing the oil change for Sienna V6 345 liter engine 2010 and up. Okay, the oil basically 0-20. So to do oil change and oil filter, bought this one from local Walmart somewhere nearby. So gotta unplug. You see the brain right now, the oil come out, and this one the oil filter location right there. So what you do is you use only the 3/8 adapter, squeeze it in and twist it. So what you do is just took it in and twist it, and that's all you need. This is the oil filter location, so you can buy anywhere auto fault and already. Alright, we just finished one bucket, and this in the second bucket already like this. When you do the oil, regular oil and oil filter change, it about like 6.5 quart or 7 quart. If you do with filter, with oil filter, if without filter about 5 quart should be okay. So right now we check the measure. Yep, that's about right underneath the second dart, so that should be okay, should be perfect. So whatever don't forget to reset oil line in this guide. So 2010 and up they has it, so the oil line, so we have to reset it. So before we step down, we got to double check underneath they have any oil leak after we work. So after we put the oil and stuff on it. So I gotta take a look at before we go to the reset stuff. So basically looking good, oil filter and the lock nut down there. So that's good. So now the maintenance light been flashing, and then just reset it. And this one you go to setting. We you. Yep. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like it, subscribe below, and I might have some couple video more coming up, because for the car or something at home, like stuff. Thank you so much.